My project for the 1.2.5 create the game. So I chose a matching game, and here is the idea process that I kind of formulated my idea in the beginning with. So I just thought of ideas such as like memory games, Cross You Road, Bottle Flip, Color Switch, White Tiles, and Snake. And these are all games that I played as a kid, so they came to mind first. And in the end, I chose the memory game because it represented what we were trying to learn the best. So here was my plan, and the major parts of my program were showing the flipping of the cards and showing the numbers. So first day was meant to create the backbone of the code, which was the array of cards and assigning the numbers to the cards as well. And the second day was dedicated to making the cards variables, meaning that every time we ran a code, it would change the number designated with a specific tile. And here's a basic sketch of what I wanted the final product to look like. And obviously, this is paper and it's not clickable, but the point was that as soon as you click it, the previous tile would turn back to green, and the tile you clicked would turn into a number. So this is the basic outline, as I said, and I didn't have to use pseudocode to complete this. So here during the create and test preparation, I ran into issues with VS Code once again, and it was the same problem I had last time with the project. But this time I was successfully able to transfer my code to the trinket, and that worked perfectly. And something I wanted to do but wasn't able to was trying to create a larger array, but it was a little bit time demanding, and it just took a lot more lines of code to figure it out. And unlike last time, I was able to find a partner to evaluate my final product. And we both discussed this and met all the main criteria. And the main focus was to organize the code a bit better and make it more readable for the user, and use comments in a more effective way. So here in the last slide, you can see what I was talking about during the design tab. So the function of the turtle was to create the matching grid, and the first part was creating that array that you see over here. And the next part is applying the variable to create the numbers for each card in the array. So for example, when I clicked on this box, the number 18 showed up. So here I'll run the code, and you can see that the number shows up here, and you can just kind of click around, and this might take some time to figure out the matching, but you get the idea. And here, this is the code. So this part was to create the grid, and see the yellow color, the green, the white, and everything in there. And this was to create the number in each row or column. And then this is all part of the code where you click it, and then when you click a different box, it goes to a different number and gets rid of the number from before. So that's my project for the 1.2.5 create the game.